In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit section on Etsy website. So first of all, all we need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go to the URL section right here and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. Of course, if you are logged in already into your account, you will find a sentence, welcome back, and your name right here. If you are not, you will need to log in into your account, or if you don't have one, you will need to create your account. At the top right corner, you will find an option, sign in. Just go and click on it, or then log in or create your account. Of course, you can do that with a Google account, Facebook account, or even Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. So as we said, once you did that, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page. And of course, as we said, if you want to edit some sections of your shop on the Etsy or Etsy website, all you need to do, just go at the top right corner and click at the shop manager. That will take you into this page. As you can see, for me, I just finished my shop, creating my shop. So of course I just added a list here. So of course, if you want to manage those lists, if you want to add any of them, if you want to edit in them, of course, if you want to edit, you can just go to your product or item, then just go and hit the pen button and edit whatever you want on this section. Of course, if you want to add another one, you can just go here and click at the bottom right corner, add more listing, and you'll be able to add more than this. Of course, you can copy this or you can add a new one if you want, then click at open your shop to start selling your products. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.